I was wondering, like, when they be coming out of the bike by? I said, everybody use the bathroom. I want to
Even this morning, Ali had someone already fled.
Yeah.
They said that they get there all the time.
We go in the high rollers and we get on the $100 machine.
So those machines are just for them?
No, $5.
Oh, $5.
$5.
I have another machine, I turn it off.
That one, I seen it. I was here, we were watching it the other day, and some lady was hitting
Yeah,
on
she
it.
win $100. Then she happy. She said, "Oh, that's nice." And it's like also and green.
I'm surprised she didn't put it back in, because that's usually what you do when you win, you put it back in.
And then she like,
She left, but I play it back. Next morning, she done it full on. Yeah.
yeah.